In this video, I will show you how to send a message to all your WhatsApp contacts in just one click. For doing this, we will use a WhatsApp feature. No third-party app is required here. You can do it with your WhatsApp app. To send a message to all your WhatsApp contacts, open the WhatsApp app, tap on the three dot and tap on New Broadcast. You can create a broadcast list with 256 people of your contacts. If you have more than 256 contacts in WhatsApp, then you can create another broadcast list. How to create a broadcast list? To create a WhatsApp broadcast list, just tap on the contact's name, as many you want, and then tap on the tick mark. Here your broadcast list is ready. You can name this broadcast list by tapping the three dot and tap on change broadcast list name. You can rename the list. You can edit recipient. You can add someone or remove someone on this list. Remember, you can add 256 recipients in one broadcast list. When your broadcast list is ready, you can type in text and tap the send button. All your recipients will receive this message individually, not like in a group. What happened in a group? When we create a WhatsApp group, then we send a text and all the group members see this. But in the broadcast list, nobody will be able to see who is in the list and who is not, or how many people are included in a broadcast list, because they won't be able to notice anything. Everyone will receive a single message as usual. I hope you have learned everything about broadcast list and group message sending. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching.